No, this is not going to be mold on the outside of your terracotta pot. It is actually going to be built up salt and minerals from that ugly ass fucking tap water we all have. So go ahead, keep watching this video. I'll show you how to get rid of it. So take a measuring cup, take some distilled white vinegar, and take a cute ass bowl. You're going to want to do a 3-to-1 ratio, and I'll show y'all that because I hate when people tell me that and I don't know what the fuck to do. So take a half a cup of filtered water, pour that shit in a bowl, another half a cup, pour that shit in the bowl, another half a cup, and you guess it, pour that shit in the bowl, and then take a half a cup of the vinegar, pour that shit in a bowl, take a little cute ass cheap ass rag, and now you got that bubbly. Go ahead, mix it up and wipey wipe. But wait, there's more, head ass. That's what I feel like. Remember that shit from OxyClean? But yeah, it's really just that easy. You just wipe it down, and I feel like it's really nice because a lot of people just like when they clean the terracotta pots, when they clean the terracotta pots, they like take the plant out, but you really don't need to. You can just take a rag and make it look all crystal clean, just like that. But yeah, that's the not cute part. But then I noticed another pot had it. But look at that. You can either get all up on there too. You don't need to take the plant out of the pot. I don't care what anybody else says. Your girl Kira says it's okay to just wipe that bitch down. So go ahead, doodly doo, wipey to wipe. Make that shit clean with the swipe. And then I noticed my little tray had some little calcium buildup too. That's what it's called, calcium buildup. And I just wiped it down, but you can see I'm not a liar. It didn't just pop right back up. That's clean, that's clean, that's clean. All with some little water, a rag, and some vinegar. It's really that easy. Look at how clean these hoes are. Goddamn, now I need to go take a shower. But look, super easy.